In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset all of your Visual Studio Code settings. So if you're experiencing some kind of issue with the Visual Studio app, then actually resetting the settings can often fix these issues. So there's basically two different methods to do this. The first method is just by opening up the Visual Studio application, click on the settings icon in the bottom left hand side, and then select settings. Now in the top right hand side, click on open settings, and this is going to open up this settings.json file. Now you're probably going to have a bunch of different text inside of this file, and all you need to do is select all of the text like this, and then just press the backspace to delete it, and then you can come up to File in the top navigation, click on Save, and then you can close out of the Visual Studio application, and then you can open the application back up. Once you reopen the application, that will have now reset all of your settings. Now, if for some reason this method does not work for you, then what you can do is head over to your Start menu and search for Run, click on the Run icon, and in the search box type in %app data %, and hit Enter. Then from here, we're going to scroll down and double click on this code folder, scroll down again and double click on User, and here you'll find this file called Settings. And what we can do here is just right click on this file, click on Open With, select Choose Another App, click on Notepad, and in this file, you should just be left with an opening and closing parentheses like so. And then you can just go and click on File and Save and close out of this notepad. And now if you go and relaunch the Visual Studio application, that should have now reset all of your settings. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.